Differentiation, second problem. Find the derivatives of the following functions. First one, 1 minus x root x by 1 plus x root x, where x greater than 0. Why? Because it is in under root. If under root function, whatever the variable, it should be greater. Otherwise, it will complex. Second one, x power n into n power x log nx. This also x should be greater than 0 if the log function must be positive. N belongs to natural numbers. Third one, a x power 2n log x plus b x power n e power x. Fourth one, 1 by x minus x whole power 5 e power x. Here first question, solution. D by dx of 1 minus x root x by 1 plus x root x. It is in the form of derivative of u by v. The formula of the derivative d by dx of u by v equal to v derivative of u minus u derivative of v by v square. Here from this, what is u? U is equal to 1 minus x root x. What is v? V equal to 1 plus x root x. Here root x is nothing but 1 minus x power 1 into x power 1 by 2. Base is same, then we can add the powers. 1 plus 1 by 2, taking the LCM 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Here also. So u becomes 1 minus x power 3 by 2. In the same similar way, just the same terms but the difference and but the add 1 plus x power 3 by 2, u and v. Here find out the derivatives of u and v, directly substitute in the formula. Du by dx, we know that the constant derivative is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Here one constant is 0 minus x power n, n is 3 by 2, x power 3 by 2 minus 1, it is equal to minus 3 by 2. Taking LCM, 3 minus 2 is 1, x power 1 by 2. Here in the same way, v is a derivative with respect to x. One constant derivative is 0 plus n is 3 by 2, x ratio 3 by 2 minus 1. Taking the LCM, dv by dx is 3 by 2, x ratio 1 by 2. Du by dx is minus 3 by 2, x ratio 1 by 2. Okay, now these values substitute in the formula. So d by dx of 1 minus x ratio 1 minus x root x by 1 plus x root x equal to, here v is 1 plus x root x. 1 plus x root x v is 1 plus x root x. Du by dx is minus 3 by 2, x ratio 1 by 2, minus u is 1 minus x root x. V is dv by dx is 3 by 2, x ratio 1 by 2. Here x ratio 1 by 2 is nothing but root x. Here minus 3 by 2 root x, dv by dx is plus 3 by 2 root x, divides v square. V square is 1 plus x root x whole square. So this is equal to, simplify, minus 3 by 2, x ratio 1 by 2 means that is root x, plus into minus, minus 3 by 2, x into x root x into root x, that is x into root x is x, minus 1 into 3 by 2, x ratio 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 root x. Minus into minus plus 3 by 2 x. Root x into root x is x. Divides 1 plus x root x whole square. Here plus 3 by 2 x into x minus 3 by 2 x into x get cancelled. Here minus 3 by 2 root x minus 3 by 2 root x, that is equal to minus 6 by 2 root x divides 1 plus x root x whole square. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So d by dx of 1 minus x root x by 1 plus x root x equal to minus 3 root x by 1 plus x root x whole square. This is the derivative of the given function. Second one, d by dx of x power n, n power x, log of nx. Here n should be greater than 0 and n should be natural number, x should be greater than 0. It is in the form of u, v, w forms. One is d by dx of u, v, w equal to first derivative u function, the remaining are same. Next derivative the v function, the remaining u and w same. uv dw by dx. It is the formula. Here u equal to x ratio n, v equal to n ratio x, w equal to log nx. du by dx equal to x power n is n x power n minus 1. dv by dx equal to a power x, n is a constant, so it's nothing but arbitrary constant is nothing but that is a ratio x form. N power x log a, how it is here, log n, n power x into log n. W is dw by dx. Log x differentiation is 1 by nx. Again nx differentiation is n. So n by nx. These values substitute in the above expression. So d by dx of x ratio n, n ratio x log of nx equal to du by dx is n x ratio n minus 1, v is n ratio x log nx plus u is x ratio n, w dv by dx is n ratio x log n, w is log of nx plus u is x ratio n, v is n ratio x log nx derivative is n get cancelled 1 by x. Okay, it is a solution, or if any simplification means just again we can take n x ratio n minus 1 n ratio x log nx plus x ratio n, n ratio x log n log of nx plus x ratio n minus 1 n ratio x. Here taking common x ratio n minus 1 nx common in all terms. So it is x ratio n minus 1 n ratio x common. So here n log nx plus here 1x is remaining, n ratio x outside log n log of nx plus x ratio n minus 1 n ratio x taking common means 1. That is the derivative of x ratio n ratio x log of nx. It is the solution. Third one, a x ratio 2 power n log x plus b x ratio n e power x e power minus x. Here it is, we can find out the d by dx of a x ratio 2 power x ratio 2n log x plus b x power n e power minus x. It is in the form of d by dx of u plus v, and again uv form involved in the u is also function of two functions, product of the two functions. Okay, first here separate it, that is d by dx of a x power 2n log x plus d by dx of b x power n e power minus x, since d by dx of u plus v equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Next, it is equal to, in the first term a is a constant, right outside a d by dx of x power 2n log x plus b is a constant, right outside d by dx of x power n e power minus x. Again we use the another formula, d by dx of uv equal to du by dx into v plus u into dv by dx. Here it is in some u, it is v, here also some u, it is v. It is equal to a into d by dx of x power 2n into log x plus x power 2n into d by dx of log x plus b into d by dx of x power n into e power minus x plus x power n into d by dx of e power minus x equal to a into x power n differentiation n into x power n minus 1. In the place of n, 2n is there, so we can take 2n into x power 2n minus 1. The log x is as it is, log x plus x power 2n, log x differentiation is 1 by x, plus b into x power n differentiation n x power n minus 1, the second term as it is, e power minus x, plus x power n e power minus x differentiation is minus e power minus x. We simplify it, it is equal to a into 2n x power 2n minus 1 log x. This x is taking to numerator, then it becomes x power 2n minus 1 plus b into n x power n minus 1 e power minus x plus into minus minus x power n e power minus x. If we want to take the common x power 2n minus 1 means a x power 2n minus 1 into 2n log x plus 1 plus b e power minus x is common, then n x power n minus 1 minus x power n. Or if we want to take x power minus 1 is also means here one more x is there, n minus x. This is the solution. Fourth problem, derivative of 1 by x minus x whole cube into e power x. It is in the form of uv. Okay, first we can take, this is the d by dx of uv. We know that the derivative of d by dx of uv is du by dx into v plus u into dv by dx. Here u is 1 by x minus x whole cube, v is e power x. Derivative of u is du by dx. It's nothing but whole power n into 1 by x minus x whole power n minus 1, that is 2. Again derivative of d by dx of 1 by x minus x. It is equal to 3 into 1 by x minus x whole square. Its derivative of, that is d by dx of x is taking to numerator x power minus 1 minus x. It is equal to 3 into 1 minus x, 1 by x minus x whole square. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1 minus derivative of x is 1. It is equal to 3 into 1 by x minus x whole square into minus 1 by x square minus 1. That is du by dx. dv by dx is e power x, derivative is e power x only. Du by dx is, if we want to take minus common, then minus 3 into 1 by x minus x whole square into 1 by x square plus 1. It's du by dx. Now we can write in the formula. Derivative d by dx of 1 by x minus x whole cube into e power x equal to du by dx minus 3 into 1 by x minus x whole square into 1 by x square plus 1. V is e power x only, plus u is 1 by x minus x whole cube into v derivative is e power x. Here taking common in both terms, 1 by x minus x whole square into e power x common, then it is minus 3 into 1 by x square plus 1 plus 1 by x minus x. So this is the solution. No need to write the last step. It's enough.